walking towards our business partner, BlackVue, who we sell a lot of dash cams for. Woo! Today with Maria from BlackVue, who's going to be telling us more about the upcoming models that are coming out from BlackVue.
Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Maria from BlackVue Marketing, and I'm here to introduce our new products that are coming this year. Actually, we are aiming to release them in March of this year, but we'll see how it goes. So what you have here are the upgraded models from our S series. So 900S 2-channel is going to be 900X 2-channel, and 750S 2-channel is going to be X 2-channel. And what's the difference between that, between those two series is that those have this little module. So you can plug it in here with this USB port here. And basically what I would say it's kind of like this dedicated hotspot for your BlackVue dash cam. So you get a SIM card from carrier, you plug it in and you forget it. It's always connected to the cloud. What is also different about this series is that you get Bluetooth connectivity. The difference between this is like a kind of like a cloud light service, like light cloud. So it's not gonna have all the cloud features that you usually have in the 900 and 750X series. So it's gonna be kind of like a lighter service, but it's kind of to be announced. Yes, what kind of service you're gonna get.
And when are all these three models projected to launch in North America?
We are thinking March this year, but you know, the date is kind of fluid right now, like flexible, but March is what we're aiming for.
That's awesome.
Okay.
We're excited to showcase them at BlackboxMyCar.